Hey everybody, Greta here. So I am backstage at Rachael Ray and I'm really excited to share today a super easy and quick smoky eye. The thing is people have an idea that you actually have to either be a pro makeup artist or you have to have this take a lot of extra time to do, and that's just not the case. So I thought we'd kind of walk through it together and make it really simple. First of all, I want to do our smoky eye in under 5 steps. Just think about lights and darks, because when we go for the smoky look, we're really working with the dark side of our palette. You can do a smoky eye with black. You can do a smoky eye with gray. You can even use navy blue or purples. If you have darker eyes, you can play with blacks, grays, or navies, which are cool colors. Now, if you have light eyes, it also is nice to kind of go into the warmer color territories like golds and browns. You just need those colors to be deeper. You don't have to just be locked into black. Black is just the classic, easy way to go. So now I'm gonna use the fluffy brush, and this is what I wanna do. I'm gonna dip it into my charcoal, which, yes, that's basically black. Give it a little blow so that I get rid of the excess I don't want falling all over my skin underneath my eye. I'm gonna color the entire lid in, and I'm basically gonna build how dark I want my smoky eye. So the first layer is gonna come out light gray, and then as I continue to wanna go darker and smokier, I'm just gonna add a bit more charcoal. So the shape that I'm doing here, you guys, is lid, and I'm actually going right up and over the crease, slightly beyond the crease of the eye, just to give that a really smoked out look. Use your finger to blend, and I'm gonna make this deeper, but I wanna show you guys where it starts. And here I go. I'm adding it right to the entire lid. This way, we're putting it on, we're super fast, and we're getting maximum intensity. Now, I'm placing more color into the crease area, all over the lid and right up slightly over the crease. Giving that some blending, making sure my color is all over that area. And I do bring that color up to the crease and out just a slight bit beyond the edge of my eye. A great way to do it is just go like this and make sure you have a little angle there. I mean, you could come out a little further, but I like to stay just on a slight 45-degree angle. Really easy. Now I'm just gonna spend time just darkening it up. Totally up to you how smoky you go. If you want it darker, just keep layering color. Now I'll use my finger and just blend. I'm not blending it all the way up to the brow. I'm leaving a little lightness between the smoky and the brow. And that's how you get that beautiful, beautiful blurred out look that's so sexy. I'm gonna use the smaller brush now, and all I'm gonna do is add a slightly lighter tone. And so I could either choose gold to kind of zhuzh up my smoky eye, or a little bit of a vanilla or a flesh tone. And this is just to create a little more drama under the brow bone, which you can see if you do that. And that really pops that smoke. So now for liner. You can either use your stiff angle brush and wet with a little bit of water and put it right back into your powder black or charcoal powder eyeshadow, or you can take your mascara and just dip a little bit of the mascara on this brush and get a beautiful wet line that will give you all sorts of definition. Mascara, it's time to lash up. So when you're applying mascara, always wiggle right down at the lash root area. This is gonna put all of that extra mascara at the root instead of the ends so you don't get clumpy. In the case of a smoky eye, I suggest this because we don't really want to have that, look on the ends where the lashes are all stuck together, but we do want a really bold, bold, bold look. And this will enable you to put even more than one coat if you don't want to use false lashes or a strip or get into all of that, which you don't really have to. Other eye. And now, just hit your lower lashes. So for the lower lashes, a lot of people say to me it's a really hard thing to apply mascara, and I understand that. One of my tips is make sure you take off all the excess and rub that brush against your mascara top, because you really don't want to have your lower lashes look clumpy, and that's a great way to start on a cleaner brush. And then you can either go up and down like I'm going on mine, or if you feel like that messes you up too much, just use the point and just use a windshield wiper method just on the tips. Because really for the lower lashes, it's just trying to get that perimeter and that little definition. It's not as if they need to be as highly covered as the top. Don't worry about lower lashes. Sometimes even the pros get a little bit of black underneath. Just wait till it dries and then take a Q-tip and go underneath. Okay, so for the last step, you can just line the lower lash line. Now you can do this with the mascara on the tip of the brush or a classic eyeliner pen, whatever works for you. And honestly, if you like a lighter smoky eye or a more daytime smoky, just leave it out. Mascara will be enough. I'm gonna load it up though. Well, there you have it. In 5 steps, we've got our smoky look. So I'd love you to try this look out, and I want to hear from you. So send me your pictures, send me your smoky eyes, your questions, your comments. I want to know how it worked for you. Also, up next, I'm going to do a contouring video. Really easy contour, so watch it.